Hi community, welcome to Waste Audit, where we take a look inside of our recycling bins and see where we're recycling right and where we can do better. Today we're at Jackson Township, one of our 43 recycling drop-off spots in the district. Let's get started. All right, 4 bins. This is one of the only spots that also has trash for the residents as well as recycling and scrap. You can see the scrap metal bin right over there. So hopefully contamination is very low. And let's see here. Now what's interesting is with a scrap bin right there, you would almost expect all of these cans to go into there. Ooh, and something smells. It does not smell good in here. So there's definitely trash. We see some fabric. I'm gonna close it up. Take a peek up top. Yeah, you can see a lot of trash bags. That can go to any clothing drop-off bin as it'll get recycled for its value as a textile. Black trash bags are usually not a good sign, usually trash. Again, all these flimsy plastics don't go into our bins. They're tanglers and they're unwanted. They tangle up all the equipment, all the recycling that could properly go. Bin number 2. Okay, look at that. Now you can see there's also a wire. Not only is this just a plastic item that's not needed in the bins, not wanted in the bins, that wire shows that there's also a rechargeable battery. That rechargeable battery, if it's smashed, will burn, will create a very hazardous, dangerous scenario. Plenty of fires have been started inside of MRFs, material recovery facilities, and in the haulers' cars themselves, the trash trucks, recycling trucks. If that starts a fire, all this cardboard will just catch. So we're gonna get that reported here pretty soon. Styrofoam, something that we don't want in these bins. So this wrapping paper is actually a recyclable item. When you come Christmas time, gift wrapping tissue paper, if it passes this kind of crinkle test, perfect. Sometimes they are foil lined, metal lined, where you'll crinkle it up, but it'll keep its shape. That kind will not be recyclable. But this is great. Glitter does create an issue, so keep glitter out of tissue paper, gift wrapping when you can, because that creates problems with recycling. Take a peek in here. We've got some good glass. Now, keep that open. These are not recyclable in this program. There are some small local breweries that will take these for reuse. I'm not sure how many are in this district, but we don't want these in the bins. This is a styrofoam. We don't want styrofoam in these bins. It's not a market that we have, unfortunately. If we're able to sell it and make a profit, and if our program partners were able to sell it and make a profit, fantastic. Unfortunately, we just can't. This is cardboard. That's fine to recycle. Glass is infinitely recyclable. So keep recycling these each and every time it gets recycled. It maintains its integrity and will continue to be another great glass bottle for years and years to come. And the final side here. What's interesting, these solo cups are recyclable. This bag, however, is not. So I'm going to do my best, tear this apart, let all these solo cups be able to be recycled. The bag itself traps it and it can't get recycled. Little tykes, more like little yikes. This bulky plastic. Now imagine when these go to a
Sorry, I seem to have something stuck in my...
Somebody get him some water, please.
A materials recovery facility. They go through a fast conveyor belt. And as this is flying down a conveyor belt, it does and can hurt the workers that are there. They have workers hired to pick out such items like this that are contamination, trash, not needed, not wanted, not accepted. But that can be hazardous and dangerous for those workers. So that's why we don't take bulky plastics. And that has been our waste audit of Jackson Township. If you like our program of these township recycling programs, check us out for some of our special collections. Coming up are tires as well as appliances, and then this fall will also be hazardous waste. For more on that, reach out to us or go to our website, recycleoss.org. And as always, this is our community and our recycling program. Keep it clean and recycle right.